Hey, what is going on, everyone? So today I have another short lesson. This one is about the verb prepare. It's a pretty common verb, but a lot of English students make mistakes when they use it. Today I'm going to explain those common mistakes and how you can use this verb correctly. So first, the definition of the verb prepare is to make something ready or to make something ready to use. For example, my mom is preparing dinner. That's like saying my mom is getting dinner ready so then we can eat dinner when she's finished. Here's the mistake. Let's imagine that you are studying and you will take the TOEFL test soon. You say, I am preparing the TOEFL test. This is actually incorrect. Instead, you want to say prepare for. If you use prepare for, that means to make yourself or whatever the subject of your sentence is ready for something. If you say, I am preparing the TOEFL test, that means you are making the test. So you are designing the questions. What you mean to say is I am preparing for the TOEFL test. That means that you are getting yourself ready to take the TOEFL test. You should also know about prepare to. If you say prepare to, this is similar to prepare for, but instead of getting ready for an event, this is when you are getting ready to perform an action. So there will be a second verb in the sentence. That example we did earlier, I am preparing for the TOEFL test. There, you're just saying the event, TOEFL test. But if you add the verb take, you should say, I am preparing to take the TOEFL test. So, to summarize, by itself, prepare means to make something ready. If I say X prepares Y, that means that X, whatever the subject is making Y ready. If I say prepare for, that means that the subject of the sentence is getting ready for an event or for something. X prepares for Y. This means that X is becoming ready for whatever Y is. And then prepare to, this is for when the subject is getting ready to perform an action. X prepares to, and then you'll have a second verb, and you can have a object if you need to. So maybe he prepares to run, that is okay. Or he prepares to run the race. There we have the race at the end, but you don't need that object. Hopefully this makes sense, guys. Okay, I wanted to make this one pretty quick. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, you should definitely do so because I come out with new lessons every single week. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day.